You, you know, trust is a big, it's a big thing. You know, as a Hispanic, I'm from Mexico, and I say for my own country, how the country be better when we learn trust each other. It's talking about my own country. When we learn to trust each other, when we need to learn trust our neighbor, when we learn to trust our own family, is when you gain. It's not easy. It's not easy, you know. I'm pretty sure some people around right here is in the community not happy with me, you know, for any I don't know what reason, but it can be, you know. So trust is things you can gain to working slowly, step by step, step by step. It's like I once say, when as a cook, you are cooking in one place. You can make one customer happy, and he's going to tell 10 people, oh, there was really good taco or really good hamburger. But if you make one customer angry, he can tell too many people there was no good hamburger in that place. And that's the same. We try, and I try really hard to help everyone. And I know maybe somebody's not happy, you know. But I try to fix situations sometimes. And most of them say, sorry, can I try again? To help you.
Cool.
Sorry, before we get to that, Andres, is there any tips you could give people? And you were just talking about coming across people that are they don't agree with you. You said. Is there any tips you would give someone who is trying to start an activist, or not an activist organization, an organization like the Student Family Resource Center, in regards to overcoming difficulties?
Yeah, one of my be persistent. You're going to find 100 no's in your life. When we start this Student Family Resource Center, say, no, we don't have money. We don't have resources to do that. We don't need it. There's too many resources already in the community. Not do it. You're going to find too many no's in your life. Please not discourage when you find no's in your life. Keep going. Move forward. Try again. I got something from my father when I was a little kid. He said, no matter what you do, if you want to do it, do it fine, do it right. If you want to sweep the street with the broom, sweep right, sweep good. You want to do anything, just try your best you can to do it. And this is the key. Just keep going, try. And that's my goal always. I try, I have persistence, and make it. Sometimes find no's in the life and obstacles and things like that. Well, just try again, and that's my goal.
Ahora que vamos a hacer una transección a español y que estabas hablando de obstáculo, ¿verdad? Y la pregunta ¿es fácil perder la esperanza y la esencia por motivos de cambios? Cuando encuentras obstáculos, ¿qué es lo que te hace seguir adelante?
You know, being advocate or have this, perdón, siendo como abogando por las familias y abogando por los estudiantes y teniendo un centro como este, apoyo y recursos para los estudiantes y las familias, cuando a veces que nos encontramos que, oh, lo siento, no se pudo hacer nada, o pasó algo triste, o fue un estudiante no se va a graduar, o problemas en la comunidad o algo, sí, se pierde la energía, la tristeza, a veces te dan ganas de llorar o te dan ganas de decir, ya no puedo más. Pero lo que a mí me hace sentir adelante es que siempre es un nuevo día, siempre hay un nuevo amanecer, siempre hay alguien que te va a buscar al siguiente día. Aunque no pudiste resolver el problema de ayer, va a haber un problema que sí vas a poder resolver. Y algo que me ha funcionado a mí, a veces tantas cosas negativas se te hacen como una carga muy pesada en tus hombros. Entonces voy a mi casa, trato de dormir lo mejor que puedo, me limpio los hombros, me sacudo y empezar de nuevo otra vez, después de tantas cargas. Sí, a veces se pierde la esperanza, se pierde la esencia de lo que tú quieres hacer, pero hay que volver a cargar, como dicen, cargar nuestras